So Room offers a metaverse platform that allows you to create and deliver immersive virtual experiences. The platform runs browser-based and supports 2D, 3D, AR, and VR experiences on any device. Jan, this is straight from him. He said he has no fun facts about himself because he's German and Germans aren't funny. This is not my words. These are his, I promise. I think that Germans might be fun because he also shared that every employee gets a Nerf gun as they start at Room. And they also have an office dog, which is adorable. I work from home, so I have a couple office dogs. But Hubert, their office dog, loves to eat sushi. And I've not fed Winston or Monroe any sushi ever. They're probably not going to get that lucky. Thank you, Jan, for sharing the very fun facts. And why don't you take over and tell us about Room?
Yeah, thanks, Gabby, for the introduction. Yeah, I want just to introduce Room to you guys. I'm happy to be here. I give you the overall picture just as we are just presenting our virtual staging technology for today. And but it's not limited to that. Let me briefly zoom out a little. Where are we coming from? You see it on my sweater. So we basically are written with 3 O's, and you might think, oh, this is a typo, but that's not the case. We're basically just speaking about the 3 dimension. That's why we are written with 3 O's. But we're not limited to virtual staging and the Matterport partnership. We are basically an enterprise metaverse platform. What does that mean? We believe that 3D assets will become the standard, and the hurdle to put your 3D assets in the metaverse become much more lower. And so we basically just also delivering 3D spaces, virtual rooms, virtual products, and even virtual immersive worlds, as you can see here. So that's the virtual staging, and the Matterport part. It's just a something we picked out for today. What I was or tried to speak about. So basically, all these Matterport scans, and what we also did, as I said, we also do virtual showrooms as an extension for this one. But I will show this in a bit as it loads. I will focus on the virtual staging technology, and I will show this video. And we do not need sound here. It's just the video impression which does the job here. So we set on top of the Matterport technology by making you able to upload your own 3D assets in a very playful manner. As you see, you can choose from furniture. We have cooperations with furniture manufacturers and so on. And you can choose the materials, and thereby, as a real estate or as people who are interested in the property, you can easily enrich this property and fill empty properties and make them vivid. And we show this here that it's quite playful, but not limited to private properties, but also can be used for commercial properties, for showrooms of companies. And we did so quite successfully in the past. So you can put in videos, YouTube videos, and so on, and your own 3D assets, and can easily make this available for your customers if you're a real estate agent, or you can supply or give this to your people who are interested in to buy or to rent this property, to make this more vivid, to have a kind of a Sims feeling. And I will show this to you in live. Let me quickly just open up another window where I will show you this in detail. So this is basically our dashboard right now. So you can add your existing Matterport scan quite easily, have a price for one showcase, and then it's built per scan point. So it does depend on the size of your scan, and you can easily jump into an empty flat in this case. And this is, we always think of real estate's quite fancy stuff, quite exclusive. But it isn't always the case. This looks like a place which has to be renovated. So it could be real estate agents could have a hard time to sell this or to rent this up in front. So we believe this is the real value add for real estate agents and their customers. To add live content, to add a video, for instance. So we're taking our virtual staging video as an example right here, to place this within this room, just to, for instance, say, okay, we will make this room a child's room. So as to say, okay, we'll place a screen here, and then we'll have this, really become vivid. So you see the screen, like here, I put this right in place, and you see the videos is moving, and this becomes more vivid. And as I say, okay, I wanted to have, something for my child to work on. So really valuable assets. I click on here and put this container right here, and then I can even rotate this stuff a little, play around, and see how this works out. And so, and you can say, okay, this is the wrong one, I don't care. And I can even say, okay, that's what we also think, and that's what I said. We believe that 3D assets become more accessible for people. You can even add own objects, meaning you can even go to Paint 3D and choose an Xbox, for instance, which is available online, and say, okay, I want to show my child. You can even put your Xbox right away. And I'm just in time, and wait until it's loaded, and you can go ahead with
a couple questions as the Xbox is entering the scene.
Yeah.
Exactly. Awesome, Jan. Thank you for the presentation. Let's see. I'm wondering, how would a user share their stage properties with a potential customer? Is it through a link, or is it embed, or how does that work?
So you basically can share this. So there's an own ID behind this overall system. This is currently the development system in which I'm moving as of today. And you're, like with the Matterport spaces, you are also able to embed those into a Facebook meta post, if you like, and thereby get the preview picture as well. So it's basically a normal Matterport space, and we set on top of this and enriching this and loading the 3D assets which have been added to the space.
Okay, great. And then do you guys have reporting dashboards available within your platform? Or how would I understand who's been visiting and what they've been doing, maybe where they're spending their time?
So you basically have the standard statistics of Matterport, but we are planning to extend those statistics as we have our own platform for 3D assets. We will join this statistic, meaning that you also got those clicks from those screens, from those furniture things as relative numbers. So you really think where the action takes place, and see, okay, do I make an impact with enriching those rooms, or those empty rooms, with 3D assets, and which room has the most impact and is crucial for my customers to talk to. And then you can directly go into a specific discussion and see what's the critical point here, what do I have to care for.
Sure. Yeah. What works, what doesn't, and optimize from there. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Jan and the Room team.